at the Pancake to play the final round.
Yay! Marcos, my best friend!
Ito na po.
Take it away, Marcos.
Ang ng bawat tamang sagot, kaya good luck sa inyo.
Pa-translate naman po sa English. Nahirapan po kasi ako.
Oh, sige. Ito. 4 answers na lang yung naanap natin. You may possibly offend a bald person when you give this to him.
Don't even know what that is.
Marcos, shampoo. Shampoo. So, kumbaga, sa Tagalog, may insulto ang isang taong kalbo kung ibigay mo ito sa kanya. Ano kaya to sabi mo?
Ah! I get it! A bald!
Shampoo. Nandyan ba ang
That means no
shampoo?
hair.
Meron.
Pwede!
But, Pancake, you can still get the top answer. What is your answer?
Hairspray?
Hairspray. Nandyan ba ang hairspray?
Nope.
Okay, Marcos, pass or play. Of course, you don't play. That's the final round.
Yay! Marcos Cabais!
Posible
He's
mo,
gonna play!
Kung pag niregaluhan mo siya ng ano? Suklay! Suklay!
Alright! You got the top answer, man!
Pag niregaluhan mo siya ng ano?
Galo.
Gel! 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 Hair gel!
Nandyan ba ang sombrero?
Nope! Remember, as sombreros used to cover your baldiness.
Niregaluhan mo siya ng ano? Wax. Nandyan ba?
Hair wax. Nice try! One last answer, my best friend! You can do it!
Posible ma-offend ng taong kalbo pag niregaluhan mo siya ng ano? Conditioner?
Alright!
Kung may shampoo,
That's gotta be it.
conditioner.
Oh!
So, sisters, time to huddle. Kailangan makuha mo to, Vinci. Kung hindi, masistil nila, posibleng ma-offend ng taong kalbo pag niregaluhan siya ng ano? Go, 3 seconds.
Hair gel! Oh!
Oh my goodness! Eto na.
Sorry!
You get
But
this
remember,
right, by the way.
unless the girls were to get answer number 3,
Posibleng
the
ma-offend
boys
ng taong
and my
kalbo
best
pag
friend
niregaluhan
Marcos
mo siya ng ano?
Cabais will win!
Hair accessories. Sandra?
Wing.
Wig. Dassery.
Cap?
Sombrero. Sam, nasa iyo ang final answer. Isang tamang sagot lang. 100,000, possibly pwede umabot ng 200,000 pesos pag makuha niyo yung jackpot. You just have to get this right first. Posibleng ma-offend ang taong kalbo pag niregaluhan mo siya nito. You have 3 seconds, Sam. Ano kaya ito? And go.
Hair accessory, pantale, ipet, kung ano man yung nasa yung
Whatever, Sam!
Alright, hair accessories for the win.
Sorry! And my best friend Marcos Cabais have won!
Everybody.
Yay!
Sandra, pakibasa nga number 3.
Now, what's the last
Wig.
You know, I was thinking about this a while ago.
Ang ating final
Kanina
score,
pa naisipan ko yun eh.
427
Kung yung wig ay nandyan, definitely that will make sense.
67 points.
Sayang lang talaga, Ate Sandra.
But you all
Sayang lang if there were an A para Sandra apart. Joke lang ha. Pero good job anyway.
50,000 pesos from Family Feud. And of course, congratulations, Horizon. You've won 100,000 pesos. Sino maglalaro sa ating Fast Money, Gigi? Me and Marcus.
Yay! Marcos Cabais! I can't wait to see him in the Fast Money. Dito lang sa
Alamin yan.
Family
Ang huli na guest namin
Feud!
promo question. Okay, sa mga nanonood sa bahay,